welcome back to Premier Sports Solutions TV and welcome to the Audi R8 V10 Plus. Okay, so the V10 Plus sits at the top of the Audi R8 range. 5.2 litre V10 engine from a Lamborghini Huracan. In this, guys, it produces 602 horsepower, which, trust me, is plenty enough. It absolutely goes like a rocket, this thing. 0 to 60 is about 3.2 seconds. Obviously the Quattro 4-wheel drive system helps out a lot with that, and you can pretty much do that in any weather conditions. At the same time, they've been quite clever in they've fitted a system where you can shut down half of the engine effectively when you're on a motorway cruise, and it much improves the fuel efficiency. But at the same time, if you're buying an R8, you don't care about fuel efficiency. So let's get back to more of those engine sounds, which just sound unbelievable. This car has very much got a Jekyll and Hyde attitude. It's absolutely crazy when you're in dynamic mode, exhaust open, and everything else in full nutter mode. It's a proper supercar, but you can have it in comfort mode like I have now, and you could use it every day. It's genuinely a dailyable supercar, something that a lot of manufacturers can't seem to get quite right, but this has done it well. So obviously, with it being an Audi, you get the incredible virtual cockpit, and it's just such an intuitive system to use. You've got the full screen map. You can have it with the rev dial right in the middle and your power and torque curve either side, and the map on the other side, and it's just such a nice system to look at. Fully digital, and it's just, yeah, really nice. As is the rest of the cabin. Again, being an Audi, they know how to make cabins really well. This particular model's got loads of dry carbon all over it, so everything from the air vents to the center console here, to around the instrument binnacle, even up the side, all up around the window, that's all carbon fibre as well. Plus you've got all the carbon on the outside, this being the Plus model, I think with a few options as well. We have got carbon wing mirrors, carbon front splitter, carbon rear diffuser, which is massive and it looks really cool. You've got carbon wing on the back. It's just really nicely done, this car. Obviously its sister car is the Lamborghini Huracan, and I mean, what would you have for the money? You tell me. The Huracan is going to be about £50,000 more, and this, if I'm totally honest with you, this feels like a more up-to-date car. The interior just feels more modern. The driving experience is exactly the same. The speed is exactly the same. The sound is exactly the same. So you're paying 50 grand extra for a badge, really. So, I mean, you tell me, is that worth it? Comment down below. So if, for whatever reason, you didn't want to listen to the screaming V10 out back, you've got a Bang & Olufsen sound system in here, which is a brilliant system. Can't rate it highly enough. It's yeah, real punchy and nice crisp highs, and it just works well within this cabin. So just about at Paul Audi now, going to drop the car off for its service. then obviously you can come and buy it if you want it at Premier Sports Solutions, 104995. Get in touch with us, follow our Instagram at Premier Sports UK. We've just started a YouTube channel, so please come and follow that at Premier Sports Solutions, and obviously Facebook page as well, Premier Sports Solutions, and yeah, many ways to keep in touch. So that's about it from me and the R8 V10 Plus. I'll see you next time.